Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. This is Abdul Ghaffar Abbasi here to conduct chemistry class of SSC Part 1 Syntax Book Board Subject Chemistry. Today we will discuss the syllabus of the SSC Part 1 of Chemistry subject. So let's look at to the subject syllabus of the subject Chemistry. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now before we are going to discuss the syllabus in detail, now I am telling you one of the very important point for the 9th class student, that is what is the exam paper pattern, how you have to answer the question, how you have to write the answer of the question in the exam, what is the paper technique, what is the paper pattern. So this is very important. Then we will discuss the syllabus of the SSC Part 1. Now when you answer the question, you people have to make outlines of the question. You have to give headings and subheadings. You have to make outlines of the question and you have to give headings and subheadings. This is what we can say, that is the presentation, paper presentation skills. Like you people have to make outlines of the questions and then you have to give headings and subheadings with the marker, and then you have to write the answer. So what do you mean by the outlines? Let's look at the example. Say suppose the topic is the describe in detail the law of conservation of mass. So how you will start to write? Initially you have to write the introduction, then you have to give the heading, and then you have to start writing the statement, then explanation of the law, then you have to give some examples, then you have to draw the diagram, maybe graph or table related to that law. So first of all, what you will write in introduction? Only you have to write two main points in the introduction. One point is that you have to write the name of the scientist. Second, you have to give the year. For example, this law was introduced by the name of the scientist, and year you will write the year also. So in introduction you have to write these 2 points, name of the scientist and year when he introduced the law. And the second heading is statement. In the statement or definition, you can say, that is also very important, and that is very important idea of the scientist, that this law is related to that main theme or topic. So statement you people have to write in inverted commas, and in statement you cannot write statement in your own words. The statement of any law is same, you have to write the same wording, right? So that will be the statement you people have to write. And in upcoming classes or videos, I will give you the example related to complete. I will show you the complete picture, what is the paper pattern, how to attempt the question along with the examples. So today just I am here to discuss that what is the paper pattern skills. So then statement you have given. For example, we are discussing the statement of law of conservation of mass, that mass can neither be created nor it can be destroyed in a chemical reaction. So this is the statement of this law. Then explanation of this law, you will explain in your own words the statement or the law. Then in the explanation you can write in your own words, right? So that explanation will be detailed discussion of the law, and then you have to give any example. Right, in this law of conservation of mass, there is the example of hydrogen gas and oxygen to produce water, right? Then we have to draw the diagram also related to that law. So this was the very important thing for you as a 9th class student. This is your first year to attempt the board exam. So main very important thing is that you have to attempt the paper. If you want to get good grades, you have to attempt paper in this way. I have told you what is the exact paper pattern, that you have to give headings and subheadings, then you can get the good score, high score in the annual exam. So these are the headings, subheadings, what is the paper pattern. Now we are moving towards your syllabus of the 9th class, that chapter number 1, introduction to chemistry, then chapter number 2, chemical combination, chapter number 3, atomic structure, chapter number 4, periodicity of the elements, means periodic table, then chapter number 5, chemical bonding, then chapter number 6 is states of matter, then chapter number 7 is solutions and suspension, chapter number 8 is electrochemistry, chapter number 9 is acids, bases and salts, last chapter is chapter number 10, that is chemical energetics. So this is the complete picture of your syllabus. And then in the next lesson, in the next video, first of all I will explain some basic concepts of chemistry, then we will start the syllabus, like the chapter number 1 and then chapter number 2. So basic concepts are very important. In basic concepts we will discuss few important terms, basic we can say the terminologies of the chemistry. Then what will happen, if you cover these basic concepts, understand the basic concepts properly, then you will be able to understand the chapters easily. That will help you a lot when you have a good grip, command on the basic concepts. So we also discuss the basic concepts in our upcoming videos. So today we have discussed the very two important points. One, the syllabus of the 9th class board, Sindh board, and then second, very important, that how to attempt the paper, how to attempt the question in the annual exam, like you have to give the headings and subheadings and make outlines. I hope you understood these two main important points. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.